Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to stitch the shoulder of a kaftan top. Yes, be it gown, be it top, whichever one. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to show you how you can join the shoulder or the front and back of your kaftan top. So if this is what you're interested in, so guys, keep watching. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share if this is your first time. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing we are going to do is this. As you can see, this is our front and back panel of our kaftan top, and this top is going to have zipper by the shoulder. Yes, that is why there is no opening on the center of the front part. Yes, because on the norms it's supposed to have opening. So this is the back I'm holding. So you're going to place it the way I place it. Make sure the two shoulders are equal. Okay, so this is it. That's the front part. You see the way it is. Now the reason why it has stay on it is because I'm going to design that front part. Yes, I'm going to design it. So guys, this is it. So you place it wrong side against wrong side. Yes, this is the back part. You place the wrong side against the wrong side of the front part. You see the way I placed it. Okay, when you place it this way, the next thing you're going to do, like I said earlier, make sure the shoulder area, make sure they are equal there. Okay, even at the tip of that neckline, also make sure they are equal. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so after placing this, like I told you, you place it wrong side against wrong side. I turned my own the other way around. That's the part up is the front part, while the one down is the back part. Still the same thing. So the first thing you're going to do is to lift the first part, which is the front part. After that, you lift the second layer, which is the one part of the back. Then you lift the third one. Do you see? You turn it this way. You see what I'm doing? You turn it this way. So let's take it again. Okay, so this is it. We have three layers here. The first one, which is the front, and the other two layers, which is the back and the back cover or turn up, whichever one you call it. So you lift the first one, lift the second one, make sure they are equal. Then you bring the third one up. Use it to cover it. You see the way I did it? Then you arrange it. Okay? So after arranging it, making sure everything is equal, you have to stitch it on the machine using half an inch. Half an inch was what I added to my cutting for sewing allowance. So you use that half an inch and join. That is just it. It's very, very simple. If you use this method, you're going to get a very neat shoulder joining. Like the shoulder joining will be so neat. None of the sewing will be seen. Okay, so guys, you see the way I'm doing it. As you are sewing, make sure all the edges are equal. You see the way I'm making sure it's equal. You see it? Because once one side is longer than the other side, it won't give you what you're looking for. And you can as well use your pin to hold it down, whichever one you want. Whatever it is that you will do to get the good results you're looking for, just apply the method, okay? So you see, we're going to sew it straight, okay? That's just it. Using the half an inch that you added while cutting. And if you don't know how to cut a senator top, that's men's kaftan, check out on my channel. I'm going to drop a detailed tutorial on that later, okay? So let's see the final results. Okay guys, so we are done with that. Let's turn it and see what we have. Let's turn it and see what we have. Like I told you, this top I'm making is going to have zipper on the shoulder area. So guys, this is what we have. Do you see how neat it is? This is the front, this is the back, that's the inside. Do you see any rough edges? No. So this is how to join the shoulder of your kaftan. Yes, or senator top, whichever one you call it. This is how to join the shoulder to give you neat finishing. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.